Hello beautiful people, and welcome to Belinder TV, where we do DIY hair care, hairstyles and wigs. Today is a DIY hair care video. I'm going to be showing you how to do the aloe vera hair treatment. So let's get right into it. I heard that this yellowish stuff is poison. I'm not sure about that, so I'm just going to keep it upside down and let it come out. Then I'll wash it and start using my aloe vera. So the next thing you want to do is to remove these sharp ends, and then you cut your aloe vera into smaller pieces. When you cut your aloe vera into smaller pieces like this, then you use your spoon to just scoop the aloe vera gel out of the aloe vera. So I'm just trying to get every single bit of the gel out of it. So when that is done, it's going to look like this. So you can either put this in a blender and blend it, or you just squeeze out the juice with your hands like I'm doing. So in order to get a very effective application or result, you should section your hair into 3 or 4. Working in sections make it a lot easier. So I'm just spraying my rice water generously on my hair. When your hair is a little bit damp, it's going to make it easier for the aloe vera gel to go into your hair, to penetrate into your hair. So I'm just applying the gel generously all over my sectioned hair. So because we are working section by section here, so you make sure that it touches the roots of your hair. Repeat the same thing for the other sections of your hair until you've fully coated your whole hair with the aloe vera juice. Apparently my one aloe vera wasn't enough for my whole hair, so I have to go get another one. Luckily I have one in my compound, the aloe vera plant. So I just went and plucked one, and I'm going to show you a different way to apply the aloe vera. You just cut it into 2 and just rub it on your hair like so, directly. If you don't want to go through the process of blending it, you just do this method. See how the hair is already looking juicy? So I'm just going to wrap it up. We still have some left from the second aloe vera plant, so I'm just going to reapply it on the section that I've applied before. I'm not trying to waste any aloe vera juice. So that's me just reapplying it on the front part. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side, and then I'm just going to pin it to hold it out of my face. Like I said earlier, working in sections will help you make the aloe vera circulate all around your hair easily. You won't like apply on some place and some place didn't have the aloe vera on it. So that's the essence of working in sections. So when you've done this, when you've coated your whole hair with this aloe vera gel, so you just get a regular plastic bag like myself and cover your whole head with it, or you can use your shower cap to cover it. This is going to keep the heat in there and let the aloe vera work its magic. So I'm just using my wig cap to secure this plastic bag on my head firmly. So you can wait for like 2 hours, or the next day then you wash it off. I waited for about 3 hours and I've washed my hair. It's almost dry, so I'm going to apply my DIY hair care oil to my hair so that it's not like too dry afterwards. Is aloe vera hair treatment something you would try on your hair, or is it something you are already using on your hair? Please let me know in the comment section. I would really love to read your comments. I really love the way my hair is looking right now. It feels really healthy and soft and bouncy. So guys, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Belinder TV, and I'll see you on my next video. Until then, bye.